Welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura, and today for you I have some cleaning. As you saw in the first scene, I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. This has been an eyesore in my bedroom for a really long time, you guys. It's been so bad, and every time I come in here I get so frustrated that I haven't cleaned this area yet. But if you've been keeping up with my channel, I have been slowly organizing and decluttering and cleaning up spaces like a little bit at a time. I've done my nightstands, I've done my living room tables, and I feel like that is the best way for me to be able to get these things done without it feeling super overwhelming, because if I have to clean like my entire room or the entire living room, it can feel a little bit overwhelming. I don't know about for anybody else, but that definitely, it feels like that for me, especially being a full-time working mom. That is something that I feel like I struggle with, and I just don't have a lot of time to dedicate to that. So tonight, it's kind of like an after dark. It's still a little bit light out. It's about 9 o'clock where I am right now, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and take about a half an hour or so and try to get this cleaned up and see how much I can get done. So let's go ahead and get this done. Hope you join me on cleaning this up and finally getting it nice and organized. Does anyone else let their clutter sit around for months and months and months? So this was mostly like papers that I needed to go through just to make sure if I wanted to keep them or not. In this red bin, I put all of my like important papers that probably need to be kept for tax purposes or like health insurance stuff or whatever that looks like. And so I really need to get that organized. I know that, but it's just such a daunting task for me. And honestly, I was just so tired. Every time I would come into my room, I would see this huge pile of clutter. And I was like, I need to do something about this. And honestly, at the end, it looks so much better. I feel so much happier about my room and how it looks. And like I said, I think the method of doing like one thing at a time, like just the vanity or just your dresser, whatever you think is going to be best for you, but that actually worked really well for me, and I'm kind of doing an okay job of keeping them clean once they've been like deep cleaned. I'm trying to keep the clutter off and put things back where they belong. I think just one of the main issues is I just have so much stuff and just not enough space for it. So I'm really trying to declutter some things. I did get rid of a couple clothing items. If something has a hole in it, I'm throwing it away. Even though I'm not necessarily getting new items, I just am at the point in my life where if it's not being used very often, I'm probably just going to throw it away. Just because, like I said, everything just is so cluttered, and I just live in a small place right now, and it's just not worth having all of that stuff kind of sitting around. If anyone has any thoughts on this, help a girl out. If anyone else lives in a small place, that would be great to kind of hear what your thoughts are, what your methods are, because I'm hopefully going to reorganize my kitchen, and I would really like to organize that a little bit better so I can fit everything in there. So I'm hoping to like get some more baskets from Dollar Tree, some like shelving ideas to kind of get it looking a little bit better. But this is what it looks like when it's all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, I appreciate you so much. Please like and subscribe. There's going to be more cleaning content here. So this is where I ended up putting some of the things. I am going to donate all of this in the bag, and then this is all trash. Thanks so much for watching.